बहुत अभिनंदन, बहुत बहुत स्वागत।
सांसद फर्स्ट अप।
Sir, एक मिनट सर। In English. The member, honorable member Sumati, asked a question in English, and the minister, who is a new minister,
सर एक मिनट
what about दे सकता है?
सर
No, ये सबसे बड़ी बड़ी
हमारी ये मांग है
बड़ी
भाषाओं के
आज तक
अनुवाद की
किसान
व्यवस्था यहाँ
आंदोलन के
पर
चलते
है।
750 किसानों की मौत हुई है। जब सरकार नसीहत दे रहे हैं दूसरे को कि माफी मांगो हर बात पे, तो हम भी।
सुश्री देवाश्री चौधरी जी पूछिए। प्रश्नकाल के बीच में कोई भी चीज इंगित नहीं होगी। देवाश्री चौधरी जी।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 42।
माननीय मंत्री जी
ऑफ द हाउस।
Honorable Speaker Sir, I would like to draw the kind attention of the Honorable Minister towards the reply to the Lok Sabha answered question number 1577 dated 28th July 2021, in which the Honorable Minister had given a detailed zone-wise total broad gauge route kilometers, electrified broad gauge route kilometer and balanced broad gauge route kilometers to be electrified as on 31st March 2021. In the said reply, Honorable Minister had stated that in the Northeast Frontier Zone, out of 4,152 route kilometers, only 652 route kilometers is electrified and balance 3,500 route kilometers to be electrified. That is, the percentage of route kilometer electrified in the zone is very less. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister that what are the main reasons for the huge route kilometer pending in North Frontier Zone. Whether the Honorable Minister would take up the works of route kilometer in North Frontier Zone in a faster manner. If so, the steps of Honorable Minister should take in this regard.
Sir, Honorable Member has asked a very relevant question. I thank her for raising this point. And sir, I would like to inform the Honorable House that electrification of railway tracks up to Guwahati, in October 2021, last month itself, commissioning happened all the way up to Guwahati. So this was a dream which was there for the government, for the people of Northeast, which has been fulfilled, and all other projects of the northeastern states. I'm in constant touch with the Chief Ministers, the General Managers of Northeast Frontier Railway and the construction organization. They are having regular meetings. Our Minister of State has also visited the entire Northeast, some of the northeastern states, and there is a complete thrust of completing these projects on time. It's a great, it's a great vision that from 2007 to 2014, sir, only 4,337 route kilometers were electrified, whereas from 14 to 21, 24,000 kilometers, 24,000 route kilometers have been electrified. That is the pace of development happening in railways, sir.
Supplementary.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like to draw the kind attention of the Honorable Minister towards one of the most important electrification projects of my Raiganj parliamentary constituency in West Bengal. There is an electrification project of Barsoi to Radhikapur, that is Barsoi section. The length of the section is 55 kilometers and the work of electrification has already been awarded to L&T agency and target date for completion of electrification is December 2022. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister that the present status of this project.
On this house and people are getting dismayed for what is happening in this house. Arnav Singh Yadav need to bring conduct. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Why are you wasting your energy?
देश के अत्यंत नामी गिरामी विधि शिक्षण संस्थानों में विधि शिक्षा प्राप्त करने की इच्छा रखने वाले कमजोर वर्ग के छात्रों के साथ भाषा के आधार पर हो रहे अन्याय की ओर सदन और सरकार का ध्यान आकर्षित माननीय देश के अंदर कुछ संस्थान है जिनमें विधि शिक्षा में प्रवेश लेने हेतु प्रवेश परीक्षा केवल इन शिक्षण संस्थानों में प्रवेश अंग्रेजी भाषा न जानने वाले छात्रों को
जानना चाहता हूँ। हमारे कोंकण रेलवे जो है प्रोजेक्ट, चाहे वो भारतीय रेल नहीं है, लेकिन भारतीय रेल के कई ट्रेनें कोंकण रेल के मार्ग से चलती है।
ইতিমধ্যে রাজ্যসভার অধিবেশন কিন্তু দুপুর 2টো পর্যন্ত মুলতবি হয়ে গেল, অন্যদিকে লোকসভার অধিবেশন চলছে। আপনারা সেই ছবি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন।
जो ट्रेनें चलते हैं या कोंकण रेलवे की ट्रेनें चलते हैं वो चलने में आसानी हो सकती है।